Hello everyone. So you might have heard that Gemini Pro is giving free accounts, free access to students. So let's see how can we get it. Search Gemini Pro in the search prompt and then click on the Gemini link that you get. Over here you can see that it's free for students. Click on that free for students tab and it will reach you to that student page. You can see that it's for 19,500 and we are getting it for free of cost if you have a valid student ID. Click on the get offer button, sign in by your Gmail ID, maybe from which you want to get it, and then you can see that you have to verify your eligibility criteria. Click on it and it will open a window. Enter your school, that is a college name, or if you are a student, school going student, and the student name. Then click on the first name, enter the first name of the student, whatever it's there on the ID card, your student ID card, because it would be needed in the further step. Enter your last name, then the date of birth of the student whose ID you are using again, then the email address by which you want to run Google Gemini. So whatever email you'll put here, that email will get a notification that it's accepted or not, and from that login only you can go for your usage. By any chance your student ID is there, like student email ID is there, you can put that as well. Then click on this verify student status. It will redirect you to sign in via school ID. If you have it, then of course you can go ahead and you need to put your student ID and then sign in. But if you don't have it, go back to the second tab which was open, and you can see that there is another option to verify the student. So it will ask you to upload the proof of your enrollment if you are a student. Definitely you might be having some student ID card or something like that. Then upload the proof of your enrollment. You can say that in that proof you should have your full name, you should have your academic institution name, and of course the date that that is a valid date. Then click on this add document. If your student ID gets accepted, then you'll get an email on the email address that you have entered in the previous screen. Click on your add documents. For here I am adding just a dummy document, but you need to add your student ID, valid student ID, and you can add multiple documents like your class schedule, tuition receipts like I mentioned. Then click on the submit button. You need to wait for 20 seconds for this processing to complete. Don't close your window, because if you close it, this processing will end and you might not get your document submitted. So keep this window open until it reaches to 0000, and yeah, now it's done. Tada! You'll receive the verification on your email account whether your ID is accepted or not, and the further instructions over there itself. So majorly it gets verified within 20 minutes, but these days a lot of students are taking the IDs, so it takes some time. If any difficulty while doing the process, please let me know in the comments. I'll try to resolve them as soon as possible. For more such videos, like, subscribe and share. Bye.